Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about PropWire, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you get notifications about new leads with PropWire? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to get new lead notifications from PropWire anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running a wholesale real estate business, you know that the sooner you can get to a lead before everyone else, you have a higher chance of capturing the deal. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your PropWire dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my PropWire, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to get notifications anytime a new property hits your lead list, first you have to build the list. I'm not going to go into exact detail on how to build this list. If you need help with that, go back and watch my other video that described that in detail. However, I will give you a brief rundown. Basically, go ahead and just choose your farm area. So I'll choose Los Angeles, and then I'll choose my lead type. Let's do single family. Once you've built your list, click here, Save Search. Name the search, LASFRRE. Okay, so here is where you can go ahead and set up the lead notification. Anytime a new lead matches this criteria that we put up for the Save Search, you're going to get a notification. So I'm going to click this box. Once you do that, you can choose to receive from email right here. Make sure that the box is checked. You can also enter a phone number and get a text message anytime a new lead hits that. And once you're done, click on Save and Close. Now, if you've already put together a list and you want to get notified anytime a new lead goes into that property list, let me show you where you can find that. Let me close this out. Okay, here we are back on the PropWire home screen. Up here on the top right, click on this little person icon. Once you do that, you're going to see this pop up, and you want to click here, Saved Searches. Okay, now you can see all the saved searches that I have. So let's say this one right here, Alameda, California, pre-foreclosure. You can see I have the notifications off. So all you're going to do is go ahead and check this box. Okay, now it turned on the email notifications. That way, anytime there's a new lead that matches this search, I'm going to get an email. You can also turn on text right here if you want. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to get notifications if a new property lead hits your saved search, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.